If you look through the history of everybody who's done big things, they were ahead of the curve. This is a Lamborghini Aventador, a Rolls-Royce Dawn. It's convertible, it's kind of cool car. And when it comes down to it, the education system failed us. You know, it didn't talk to us about how to become financially free. It didn't show us how to be entrepreneurs. The system's set up for you to become a 9-to-5 cubicle worker. And it's some 1800s way of educating people. I'm going to show you the cutting edge stuff. Luckily, unfortunately for me, I was able to find cutting edge trends because I got mentors. And these mentors showed me a map of success. If you don't have a map, you ain't going to find the gold. Just like in 100 years ago, 200 years ago, pirates, they buried gold, they put a map. Now we got people running around with no map, not financially free. You got $1.2 trillion in college debt. A lot of those graduates can't even get a job. This is what I'm going to show you in just a minute. I'm going to put actually a link to a presentation that I did on my website, which I haven't shared with that many people, but the people I've shared it with are getting small businesses locally and around the world to pay them 1 to 10 grand a month. You only need a few people like that, and you've achieved financial freedom.
Hey guys, my name is Boniface Ogunti. I entered into Tai Lopez program about a year ago. When I first entered his program, hands down, I didn't really know nothing about social media. But when I entered into a program, like when I seen the different people that was in this program and just basically explaining how social media works through their different aspect of life, it really influenced me to actually want to learn social media. So that's why I really jumped into it. Hands down, if you want to learn from Tai Lopez, I say go in, because you don't know what you don't know. The first month I started the program, I made $10,000. But then after I started really going into the program, I started seeing what all those other people was doing, so I started doing my research about each individual. Then after I learned more e-commerce and seeing that the way you can generate money real quick. And then after, once you build that, once you have that accessible cash, you can be able to invest it into an agency. So that's why I really got into the e-commerce game. Then the third month, I made over $200,000. And from there on, I just started making more and more and more. Hands down, if you're going to do this, dive in. Don't waste time, just dive in and go in.
Like Jim Rohn said, formal education will make you a living, but self-education will make you a fortune. And I'll show you, like I said, how I went from no money, $47 in my bank account, to being able to be financially free. And it's not about materialistic things, it's not about being the richest person in the world, but it's about that freedom that reduces your stress, lets you travel, do bigger things. So I'm gonna put a link to a presentation. I don't want to do the longer presentation here because you might be watching other stuff. So click this link, it'll take you to my website. It's an absolutely free presentation on how to get small businesses to pay you 1 to 10 grand a month with your own. You can do it part-time, you can do it full-time, it could be a little small business you start, and it's so cool. If you click this link, you'll see over there, I've shown this only to a small amount of people, but so many testimonials have come in. A guy just flew in, wanted to fly in and meet me from Chicago. He's 21 years old. 2 months ago, he didn't even have a bank account. And I had my lawyer verify all this. We got it all verified because I wanted to make sure that this is true. He used the system that I'm showing you in this video over on my website if you click this link.
What's going on, Tai? It's Jaden Gross here. Wanted to give you a quick video update to let you know what I've been up to here in Chicago, Illinois. Shout out to all the Chicagoans who are going to be watching this video. You can do this. First and foremost, guys, last year, 2016, back in August, I was making $40,000 a year. I was working as a financial administrator, okay, for a healthcare practice, literally 5 employees or less. Guys, believe me, I was just like you. I was frustrated. I was sick and tired of being sick and tired. I knew there was something better for me out there in the world. I wanted to own my own business. I wanted to be an entrepreneur. And then I finally stumbled across Tai Lopez's course, just like you are, and I bought it for this very reason. I needed to start learning from somebody who had what I wanted in life. So I bought the course. Fast forward to now, March of 2017, I'm doing over $60,000 in gross monthly sales. I have over 30 staff members, and I'm working in 3 different states, California, Illinois, and Florida.
Not everybody is going to get the same result as him. My lawyers want me to say that. I'm not promising you 35 grand in 2 months, but you don't need to make 35 grand. With an extra 500 bucks, 100 bucks, $2,000, $1,000. Think of how a little bit of income extra each month could change your life. Because one of the principles I want to give you now is you need multiple streams of income. The average multimillionaire and billionaire has like 5, 6, 7 streams of income. Big billionaires like Warren Buffett has 72 streams of income. Yet the education system only shows us how to get one. And if you only have one, you're always vulnerable. What happens if that one Goes away. What happens? You get fired, quit, the economy changes. So I want to show you how to create another stream of income. You can do it part-time, full-time. So click this link. I'm going to show you step by step. This is a map. This is a template. This is a tool that will change your life. I'm telling you. Okay? Don't procrastinate on this because I've put the video up and I've taken it down a few times. I don't want to show it to everybody because I don't want to create too many people competing with each other. So it's imperative that you watch it now. So click there. It's completely free. It might be above here in the corners or somewhere or below in the description. It's a special link. So you need the special link to see it on my website. It's a hidden link, secret link. So go over there, click it. It'll take you to my website. Take some notes. You don't need a credit card. You don't have to pay anything. Just watch it. This is my way of paying it forward. And it's amazing how well it's worked. Financial freedom. It's important. Not everybody has to be a billionaire or millionaire. You don't have to have Lamborghinis or Ferraris, but you owe it to yourself to have a level of financial freedom and independence, okay? I want to help you do that just like other people help me, my mentors. So click this link, and I'll see you over on my website.